Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. We're going to do an update. We're going to show you in the gardens the zinnias I planted indoors. They all got planted outdoors in June actually. And this one here is the Zahara zinnia. Very pretty, kind of more, it seems more miniature. I put several in a hole and I'm going to show you the rest of them. They're just really beautiful. I got some growing along here along my celosia. They're not blooming tremendously yet. There's a lot of buds on them, but they're coming. The ones I really am excited to show you is the Orange King. We'll walk back here. These are something. Of course, I love orange in the garden. The Orange King, as you see, is doing really, really well. Look how big those are. Just gorgeous. All along my fence here, they're just, let me get you some close-ups because they got kind of different shades of orange, probably depending on how long they've been blooming, but they're just beautiful. We've had a lot of rain, so there is some leaf issues. We've had some hail, there is some hail issues, and some insect issues, but all in all, the blossoms, they just look gorgeous. Aren't they beautiful? Again, I'll show you from a different view. Nice. So they're doing pretty well. And these zinnias, Orange King, oh my God. If you have never planted Orange King zinnias and you like the color orange, you must plant these. And you know, I'm gonna see how many seeds I can save from these, see how well germination will be on them. But wow, look at the color. It's just amazing. So I just, you know, orange is a good vibrant color in the garden. As you can see, it's very vibrant. Look at that, it just kind of glows. All right, in front of you here is a thumberlina. It's more of a miniature zinnia. And again, there's some issues with the leaves. We've had tremendous rains, and zinnias don't like it real wet. They like it more on the warm, hot, and dry, sunny area. But they're small, they're beautiful though, all kinds of different colors I have here. And they seem to be doing pretty good in this patch right here. Right here we have the envy and some more thumberlinas. And I'm gonna give you a close-up of them. If you look up close to them, yeah, the weather's kind of hindered them a little bit, but the blossoms are still really, really nice. Now the envy is more of a greenish yellow greenish flower, very pretty. I'll give you some photos of the thumberlina. They come in lots of different colors. Real nice. I really like them. Hi everyone, I just walked out my patio door and I want to give you a view of my gardens. It's July 31st, 2017. And I wanted to just share with all the color that I have here right now. In front of you here is my profusion zinnias. They are just beautiful right now. They filled in that section that used to be my water garden. Here's some more profusion zinnias. And I got Reuben grass in the middle. That old plume is starting to plume. But look at it. It is just gorgeous. Look at all them flowers. Very pretty. A lot of color. My Orange King zinnias are putting on a show right now. I've been babying them. They've been getting a lot of water. I did say Orange King, right? Well, I got a pink one in there. I want to save those seeds. Remember the liliput zinnias? Those are got to be one of the cutest zinnias. Look at those. They're just doing really well. Haven't had powdery mildew this year, and it's probably because we're just so dry. It's kind of a smaller head to the zinnia. But I love them. Just beautiful. Painted lady butterfly loves them. See them a lot around here. See the zinnia bed? That is filled in nicely, even more so than in July. But we've been getting a lot of butterflies.
If you like this video, can I get a thumbs up? Hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to get notified of all my new video content. Thank you, and I will see you next time.